Yes, welcome back to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about recoiling velocity of a gun. Okay, so look at the diagram here. So here capital M is called mass of the gun and small m is called mass of the bullet. Okay, suppose if both a gun as well as bullet is at rest state, that means if there is no external force is acting, so that means initial momentum is must be equal to final momentum, right? If there is no external forces acting means total initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So I told you already, initially the gun is at rest state means, so initial momentum of the gun as well as the bullet is at rest state, so initial momentum value is 0. Okay, now if I apply some external force to fire the gun, that means the recoiling velocity capital V is acting backward direction. So whenever the recoiling velocity of the gun is acting backward direction, the bullet moves with velocity small v in forward direction. Okay, so we know that mass of the gun is capital M and recoiling velocity is capital V, plus after firing mass of the bullet is small m, mass of the bullet is small v. So initial momentum value is 0, final momentum value is capital MV plus small mv, right? So from this, bring this capital MV left side, then plus becomes minus. So minus capital MV is equal to small m into V. So from this, V is equal to minus small mv by capital M. Okay, so this velocity is called recoil velocity of the gun. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you.